Hey, what is up viewers? Welcome to Tech Genesis. This is your host Nehan today, and today we'll be unboxing and reviewing the Acer Aspire 7 A715-75G. Let's get started. So first up, inside the box we have the international warranty accompanied with the user manual. On the left we get the power brick, the 130 watt power brick, which you can pair it up with this cable. Finally we have the laptop inside, wrapped up in nice cotton cloth bag. Okay, so now you know what was inside the box, and now let's talk what's inside this machine. So we have the i5 9th generation as the CPU and GTX 1650 by Nvidia as the GPU. The i5 9th generation consists of 4 cores, 8 threads, hyper-threaded, so you'll be able to squeeze up nice performance out of it. It works at 2.4 GHz and can be overclocked up to 4.1 GHz. Now coming to the RAM, we have an 8GB DDR4 2666 MHz laptop RAM, which can be topped up to 32 GBs in the future. Now coming to the main highlight of the system, we have a 512 gigs NVMe M.2 SSDs. So for those who don't know what an NVMe M.2 is, well, it's basically faster than your traditional SSDs. It can give you sequential read and write speeds of up to 3 Gbps. So keep in mind, that's really fast. So for the display, we have a nice 15.6 inch panel, which is IPS certified, so you get nice colors out of it, and is 1080p resolution. So yeah, the things displayed are crystal clear. The refresh rate of this device is 60 Hz, so yeah, you'll have to deal with that, but overall the display gets an A+. Okay, so for the connectivity, we have a USB 2.0 auxiliary and a DC in on the right hand side. On the left we have got HDMI 2.0, USB type C 3.2 generation, 2 USB 3.0s and 1 LAN port. So yeah, that's good. For wireless connectivity, we have Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.0 respectively. So yeah, the wireless connectivity is pretty much up to the date. Now coming to what all this is packed in, the build quality. So there is no keyboard flex, the thing feels pretty rigid, and you've got backlit keyboard. The key travel distance is quite good, you get the nice clickiness, so it feels good to type. Plus you also get the premium one finger lift. So the hinge mechanism is pretty good. It can be folded up to 180 degrees. As you move behind the laptop, you also get to see the copper heat pipe. So as copper is a good conductor of heat, it will be helpful to remove heat out of the laptop as quickly as possible. So yeah, heating is not a problem here. The vents are also positioned at the back side of this laptop, so the downwards of your laptop, it does not heat. Okay, so now coming to what most of us buyers do not actually consider while buying a laptop like this. Yes, the cameras. Okay, so this video has been taken from the camera and the audio from the microphone of this device. Not the best, but they are better than most other laptops which you get in the market right now. Pretty good sound quality as well, and video output as well. The camera gets an A. So wrapping up the video, I would like to share some test results which we took. And well, here is the booting test. The PC could well and good boot under 14 seconds. So that's where the NVMe M.2 helps, reducing times and making the PC more efficient. Okay, so here are the Cinebench R20 results which we took. We got a score of 1435 points. So that's pretty good for a laptop like this. Okay, so next up are the game results. We ran Fortnite at low settings and got a score of 120 FPS. So that's what most of the Fortniters are looking forward to. One quick tip, well, please plug in your laptop before you play, because after an hour or so the battery gets depleting and, well, you will start facing performance cap, so you'll end up on 30 fps, so you don't want that. Please make sure you are plugging in your laptop. And that was pretty much it. Hope you guys liked this video. Thanks for watching. If you liked it, please hit the thumbs up button, subscribe this channel for more videos like this, and comment down below what you think about this laptop. Until then, catch you guys in the next one.